Is it okay to pressure cook dal? This viral video and many others seems to suggest no. They claim that the froth that is formed is saponins, which apparently is uric acid, and that will cause joint pains. Let's deconstruct this. Uric acid causing joint pains comes from consuming foods with a lot of purines, like red meat and seafood. Dal is not a high source of purines, which brings us to saponins, a class of molecules found in plants that have soap-like properties, like frothing. But fun fact, the froth you see in your dal is not all saponins, because dals are not high sources of saponins. The froth you see is mostly loose starch and protein. That froth won't clog up your joints, but it can clog up your pressure cooker valve. So adding half a teaspoon of oil to your dal prevents that. Which brings us to the most inaccurate thing about all these videos that go, oh my god, saponins. In moderate quantities, saponins are actually good for you. They are antioxidants and can have cholesterol lowering effects. And finally, why are we asking people to do extra manual labor? Cooking dal on the open flame is a waste of energy. And pressure cooking actually makes more nutrients in dal bioavailable. Pressure cooked dal is easier to digest. And oh, add salt after pressure cooking, not before. Salt pulls water out of cells and makes the dal rigid and harder to cook. So please pressure cook your dals without any fear.